am I ever going to use parabola?
Parabolas are everywhere!
Welcome to our Quadratic Functions unit. Through project-based learning, students will explore quadratic functions and see how they are applied in the real world. This unit is an 18-day unit and covers a plethora of standards. We will be addressing Common Core standards for Algebra 1 and 9th and 10th English Language Arts standards. We will also cover ISTE standards, which will teach students to responsibly integrate technology into their learning and their lives. We will cover 7 objectives in this unit. Go ahead and take a look at what we're going to learn. In this unit, students will be working on exploratory projects that address development at the various levels of Bloom's taxonomy. Additionally, this unit includes projects that meet the needs of all of Gardner's musical intelligences. Technology plays a huge role in our daily lives. There will be a large presence of technology in this unit. In the Quadratic Functions unit, there are 4 projects that the students will create. The screencast project allows students to shine through in any of the 8 intelligences. Students will create a screencast which will showcase real-life quadratic functions and the characteristics of their graph. The students will be going to the computer lab to do 2 exploratory guided projects. The Parameters project lets the students go to the Math is Fun website. The students will then play with the different parameters and see how it affects the graph. The Green Globs computer program and project will show students how to shift and scale a graph throughout the parent graph, y equals x squared. Both of these projects address the needs of the musical, kinesthetic, visual, verbal, interpersonal, naturalist, and logical learners. In a final culminating project, students will complete the Angry Birds project. Students will use their interpersonal, visual, logical, verbal, and kinesthetic intelligences for this project. Students will apply their knowledge from the unit in a real-life application by showing the graphs of the trajectories of the birds. Designing this unit has made me much more familiar with the Common Core standards and math practices. I also have a greater understanding on how to fully incorporate all of the multiple intelligences into my curriculum. Finally, I learned that planning ahead can really make it easy to create a cohesive unit where I can use technology and projects to create more opportunities for students to be engaged in their learning. Thanks for checking out our Quadratics unit. See you next time.